How to make money is one of the most asked questions on the internet. But have you ever heard that you can earn money by just coloring some images? If not, then this is the best video for you to know how. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to make money by coloring an image online. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you should not miss any detail of this amazing and simple process. Well, don't worry guys, I will assure that you will start earning by using these tips and skills by using the following websites, which I'm going to tell you further in the video. Let's move step by step to reach our goal. So the first website you need is Pexels.com. It's an amazing website to download copyright-free images from different creators all around the globe. Well, Pexels provides stock pictures for online download. It maintains a library that contains over 3.2 million photos and videos, growing each month by roughly 200,000 files. Here the content is uploaded by the users and reviewed manually. Using and downloading the media is free. The website generates income through advertisements for paid content databases. There is also a donation option for users. If you find a photo which can help you in your project or something, you can easily download it from Pexels for free. And this is why it is one of my favorite websites I used to complete my work. Well, now you must be thinking, why I'm telling you about this website? Well, to start making, you have to search for black and white photos, and you can do this by clicking on the search box and typing black and white photos, and then click enter. After this, you can see a lot of black and white photos, if you scroll down, which are free to download without a copyright issue. You all must be curious about this website. So let me tell you that we will be using these photos later on to earn money online. On to the next one. Here's another website, which we will be using to make money. It is called Colorize.com. You just need to go to this website by opening a new tab on your computer, laptop, or even your mobile phone. Well, Colorize is a tool which uses artificial intelligence to convert your black and white, dull and yellowish photos into colored photos. Hence, this Colorize.com is an AI-powered image colorizer which removes the complexity of the process of colorization. You can easily colorize your old photos into colored ones in a matter of seconds. Okay, so this AI-powered tool is very simple to use. You can see that all you need 3 steps to colorize an image by using this application. At first, all you need to prepare a digital black and white photo. Then you need to upload that image, and in the blink of an eye, you will get the colored photos for free. You can download it from here only. I hope it is quite easy to use, right folks? Now, let me show you how to use this amazing tool, because we are going to use this tool a lot in future. So on the home page of this website, you will see a drop box where you can upload your photo. Just click on that, and then choose a picture you want to colorize. Well, you can download some pictures from the previous website, Pexels, and then you just upload them here. Hence, after uploading your photo, it will require a few seconds for their AI tool to colorize your image, and then now you will have a completely colored photo from this black and white photo. As I told you before, you can easily download this colored photo for free by just clicking on the download button. Also, you can use this AI tool from your mobile phone to colorize any image you like. Well, now let us try to colorize some other photos too, to check the easiest way to get colored photos from black and white photos. Okay, so you only need to repeat all those simple steps like clicking on the upload button to upload a particular image, and then all you need to do is wait a few seconds and you have a colored photo. Well, you can actually colorize as many photos if you want to. And now here is the part where I'll tell you that from where you can make money by using these amazing websites and tools. So stick to your computer or mobile screen to not skip any part or detail. So here is another website which I want to share with you all that you can use to make money online. The website is Remove.bg, which is another AI tool that allows you to erase the background of any image automatically in just some point of seconds with 0 clicks. Removing backgrounds of different images requires a lot of time and skills to do it manually. But with the help of Remove.bg's artificial intelligence, you can do it within a few seconds. Okay, so here's the example of a photo with a background removed, which you can see on the home page, using this free tool. If you slide this button to one side, you can see the photo with a background, and if you slide it to the other side, you can see the photo without a background. And all of this amazing work has been done using this advanced AI tool. Another amazing fact about this website is that it is completely free. Yes, I'm telling the truth. You can use this amazing AI tool for free, and further, you can use this to make money. And I'll show you how to do it in a moment. But before going into it, let us first see how this tool works. Well, on the homepage, you can see a Dropbox where you can upload a photo of your choice to erase its background. So I'm gonna use this photo as an example. As you can see, it erased the background from this photo in a few seconds. And as you can see on the right side, you can easily download it for free by clicking any of these two links. Okay, so here comes the website, which all of you are waiting for. It is Fiverr.com. Well, most of the people out there know about this if they have heard about freelancing. But those who aren't, this is an online platform for freelance activities. Here, freelancers can offer their services to the customers all over the world. Well, all you have to do now is go to the search bar and type colorize photo, then hit enter. You can now see all the people who are into this type of service. Also, you can see that the payment ranges from $5 to $25 for colorized photos using the website which I showed you before. To earn money from Fiverr, you need to create an account, which you can do by clicking on Become a Seller button on the top. Then you will be forwarded to this page where you can sign up as a seller for free by filling in the required details. Similarly, you can use another website called peopleperhour.com, where you can sell your services to the global customers. Here, you have to search the background removal in the search box, and then you will see all the people who are selling their services regarding background removal. The payment ranges for this type of skill from $10 to $35, and this is a very good amount of money for you to start as a beginner by just removing backgrounds from photos. And you don't have to do much, as you can use remove.bg to do it. Well, to sell your services on this particular website, you first sign up for a free account, which you can do just by clicking on the sign up button at the top of the page. After clicking it, make sure you click on I want to work as a freelancer, and then fill up the needful information. Okay, now you have accounts on both Fiverr and People Per Hour, and you can start selling your services on these amazing websites. I hope you understand the whole informative video in the same manner as I explained it to you, as it is necessary to follow all the steps to make more money by using these websites and tools. Well, that's it for the day, guys. I wish you luck that you start making money as soon as possible, and also let us know when you got your first client. It would be very appreciated if you share this video as much as you can and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video from us. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.